Hi, this is Peter here. Welcome to my channel. I just want to give an update on the Sansi 15 watt grow light version 2. Okay, so about a month ago I put up a video on the Sansi 15 watt grow light, the second version they came out with. I'll post a link above and in the description of the original video that I did a month ago, and also the version 1 light. So I've got it over these succulents that I transplanted mostly from cutting. Some had rooted. So it's a mix of different types of succulents. These are all sent to me by Kingstar, and I've been growing them out. These are ghost plants here, very hardy. Some over on this side too, back behind there. And this is a type of jade. It's a general jade. Some of these here. And there's another type growing back over here. This is a variegated jade. So I've got it in, like I mentioned this in the first video, but it's just an off-the-shelf Miracle Grow succulent mix. I've only watered these once. The way you tell with succulents, when like normally the leaves are very turgid, kind of full, but when they start to feel soft, then give them a good watering and something well draining and let it run out the bottom. And so like in the whole 30 days, these only needed it once. I think the light did very well. There's a little bit of stretching, maybe. I just broke one of these off. A couple of these off. Be more careful. These will actually root just from the petals, but a tiny bit of stretching. So I probably should have lowered the light, maybe 3-4 inches. When I did a light test, the way I have it, I think it was getting around 150 ppfd, and the way I've got it mounted, I can't really lower it that easily. But I should have maybe elevated these up a little bit closer. But I think given all of that, they still did very well. And within that month, they've also rooted, put out a lot of new growth. So I think taking that into consideration, the light did very well. I do need to mention, and I did in the first video, that this was sent to me for free for review, and I didn't pay anything for that light. My opinion's mine on these. So personally, I think the light did very well. It'd be good for a small area, house plants or seedlings, seed starting. It seems to work great for these succulent plants. So yeah, a few people have asked me for an update on this light, so I just want to put that out there. I think it's decent, especially for the smaller size, as a more diffused light than the original version, a little more even growing area. Yeah, so anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.